In this video, we're going to talk about how you can connect the Morph UI system to the shop system. So, after you've installed both systems in your game, what you'll see is, if we open up the UI and scroll all the way to the end, I've set up this team here called Shop Example. And we can see here, we can buy this team for 500 cash or 400 Robux. So if I just show you here, if I buy it for 400 Robux, which is a game pass in this case, I get the shop. I get access to that team. And then here is a buyable division example. Now, in this example, I've set them up to have the same Game Pass IDs, so we won't be able to see it here necessarily. But if you go in here, there's also a buyable morph example. So let's go over to the server storage morphs to see how we can set all this up. So our shop example, we've set up a few attributes here: shop item type and shop item name. So shop item type is that it's a team type, and the name of this team is friendly because that was the original name of this. So we're gonna name this the friendly team. So imagine instead of this being friend example, this was called the friendly team. All right, so now here we have a buyable division example. Now here we set it up once again to be an item type of team because divisions are a type of team in the way that the Morph UI system works. So just make sure that that's set up properly as team. And then shop item name, we set it up to be some division. So buyable division example. Now if this was named some division, then we'd want that shop item name to be the same as our name there. And this is a very similar pattern for our buyable morph example. We have a shop item type here of morph, and then a shop item name of large developer. So we can say here our name here was large developer. All right, so now we can look at the settings for this. So we can come up here to Lettuce Server, Shop System, Item Settings. You're going to notice that you have a morph and team module in here now. So in our morph module here, we set up all of our settings. So our large developer morph, we want to only have it as an own option. We don't want a one life version. We only want an own option. You can buy it for 200 cash or this Robux. And same with our team. You can buy it, our friendly team with 200 cash or Robux, and our some division team with 200 cash or Robux. So here's where you can set up all of your teams and morphs and all the prices associated with that. If you haven't watched the shop system tutorial video, I recommend you go through that first because it will tell you about all the other settings and different currencies and all that you can do with this. But if you have any questions or any concerns, head on over to our Discord server and we can help you out there. Thank you very much for watching.